Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and cancel your 1Password subscription. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. To cancel your 1Password subscription, the method you use depends on where you originally signed up for the service, either directly on the 1Password website or through a third-party app store like Apple or Google Play. All you need to do is simply go ahead and sign in your account on 1password.com using a web browser, then select billing in the sidebar on the left. On the billing page, you may need to select billing settings and scroll down to find the cancellation option. Select cancel subscription and follow on-screen instruction to confirm the cancellation. Your account will remain active until the end of the current billing period, after which it will become frozen. You can also still access and export your data at that time, but you won't be able to add new items. I hope this video clarified a lot. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.